Welcome to the Department of Aeronautical Engineering at SREC, where dreams take flight and the future of aviation is built. The world of aviation is evolving, from next-gen aircraft to space exploration, from UAVs to hypersonic jets. Aeronautical engineers shape the future of flight.
I'm Professor Chandra Mohan, heading the Department of Aeronautical Engineering in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I would like to give a brief introduction about our department, that is the Department of Aeronautical Engineering. Department of Aeronautical Engineering was initiated in the year 2008. So far, 13 batches of students have gone out. Our department is an accredited department, that is National Board of Accreditation we have got, and the institution as a whole is NAC accredited. But since we have started this department in 2008, we have a very strong alumni network. 13 batches of students have gone out and they are all in various industries, particularly in the aeronautical engineering domain. That is the major success of our department. The students who have gone out, alumni, they are all in various aeronautical industries, and they are all supporting our students in terms of their placement, internship and various projects. So I can say that our alumni who are in various industries are very much supportive, and consecutively for the past 5-6 years we could able to give 100% placement for our students in the core aeronautical engineering domain. That is a specialty we would like to communicate to you. Other than the softwares, most of our students are in aeronautical engineering core domain industries. At the moment, other than the regular aeronautical engineering subjects, our students are also in various descriptive engineering technologies learning, like AI, ML, data science, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, Internet of Things, sensor technologies. These are the courses our students are additionally taking up as specialization. Therefore, they will get the Anna University certification, that is additional certification, which is termed as specialization. Then 1 credit courses we are also offering to the students by various industry connect. We have signed MOUs with various industries. We are also having adjunct faculty member from industry. So industry academia setup association is very effective in our aeronautical engineering department. So our students are being taught by the industrial experts as well. Coming to the lab facilities, we have a special flight simulator wherein our students can get exposed to the real-time environment, and we are also having Center of Excellence in the drone technology, that is unmanned air vehicle. So this drone technology is very much coming up, and there is a huge requirement for drone technology in varied industries like agricultural setup, defense setup, and in everywhere the drone technology is very much coming up. Therefore, our students are getting exposed in this laboratory. They are also going to various industries, and they are also participating in hackathons and competitions conducted by various industries, and they are winning prizes, and they are also getting certificates and cash prizes from the renowned industries as well as institutions. So these are all the specialty of our aeronautical engineering. Thank you.
Let's get some things straight before we check out more about the department. There are a few common misconceptions about the department, which we as educators need to debunk and make the general public understand. Number 1, aeronautical engineering is only about piloting aircraft. The reality is aeronautical engineers don't fly planes. They design, analyze, build, and maintain them. They create the technology that pilots depend on. Number 2, there are no jobs after aeronautical engineering. This is completely wrong. Again, the reality is aerospace, UAVs, defense, simulation, materials science, avionics. The sky is full of opportunities. Our graduates land roles in top companies, R&D labs, and drone technology startups. At SREC, aeronautical engineering isn't just a course. It's a launchpad for careers in aircraft design, drone technology, flight control systems, propulsion, and aerospace research. Every day, our students design, test, and innovate solutions that power the future of aviation. Remember your fascination with physics, forces, motion, flight. Here, physics transforms into aerodynamics, where you study lift, drag, and the science of flight. Loved mathematics? It evolves into flight mechanics, predicting and controlling how an aircraft behaves in the air. Chemistry? It becomes aerospace materials, developing composites that make aircraft lighter and stronger. Enjoyed tinkering with gadgets? That passion grows into avionics and UAV systems, the future of autonomous aerial vehicles. At SREC, each core domain of aeronautics has a specialized facility where learning soars beyond textbooks. In the wind tunnel laboratory, students visualize airflow and optimize aircraft designs. In the propulsion lab, they explore the engines that push aircraft and drones across the skies. At our Flight Simulator Center, students master the science of flight control and real-time piloting techniques. Structures and materials labs enable students to study how aircraft endure stress, vibrations, and extreme conditions. In the Aircraft Systems and Maintenance Lab, they dismantle and reassemble real aviation systems. And at the Center of Excellence for UAVs, the pride of our department, students create, test, and fly next-generation drones ready to shape the future of aerial mobility. Our UAV Center of Excellence is a hub of creativity, engineering, and innovation. Here, students build autonomous quadcopters, fixed-wing UAVs, and experimental drones. They win national competitions, dominate hackathons, and work on real-world projects with industry mentors. From ideation to flight testing, students experience the full life cycle of an aerial vehicle. Our UAV Center doesn't just build drones, it builds future leaders of the aerospace revolution. Through active clubs and societies like the Aeronautical Society of India, student chapter, the Space Exploration and Development Society, the Aero Modeling Club, and the Aeronautical Engineering Association, students grow as innovators and leaders. From organizing technical symposiums, to winning awards in drone fests and hackathons, to running national-level workshops, every activity nurtures technical excellence, teamwork, communication, and leadership skills. Our students have won top honors in national hackathons, secured internships at leading aerospace firms, and represented the college in global innovation challenges. The department has produced 3 best outgoing students across the last 14 batches, a testament to academic excellence, skill, and spirit. Are you ready to turn your passion for flight into reality? Join the Department of Aeronautical Engineering at SREC and become a part of the next generation of aerospace pioneers.